Hello children, myself Mesharam sir, Kalpataru Vidya Mandir Sindhevai. This is class 4th and today's lesson is Anansi and 5. This is our new topic, Anansi and 5. In this chapter, here we are going to see the story of Anansi and the 5. Now it is given on your page 35, your textbook, page number 35. Now look here. This is the story of Anansi. Let's start. Once upon time, long ago, there lived a creature called Anansi. In this lesson, the storyteller is saying, once upon a time means a long time ago, there lived a creature. Creature means this is a one time of animal, small animal, and its name was Anansi. The creature name was Anansi. And Anansi was a spider. Anansi was a small spider, and sometimes he was a man and other times he was a strange mix of two. Means here the spider was sometimes become a man, and other time it become a strange mix of two. Means a strange means different, means it looks a different, means one time it looks other and another time it looks other. Anansi was a trickster. Anansi was a trickster. Trickster means a deceiver. Trickster, write down the meaning. Trickster. Trickster means deceiver. Deceiver means फंसाने वाला. Deceiver. And who was trickster? Anansi was a trickster and he was having a difficult time. He was suffering a difficult time. उसका बुरा टाइम चल रहा था. Anansi was suffering a difficult time. He had no money to buy food for his family because he had no money. उसके पास पैसा नहीं था. He has no money to buy food for his family. अपने फैमिली को चलाने के लिए he has no money. उसके पास मनी नहीं थे, पैसे नहीं थे. Therefore he can't get a food for his family. He walked around the village early one morning and he was thinking about the money. So one day he was walking around the village in the morning time. He had scowl, and when he was walking, जब वो walking कर रहा था, that time on his face, उसके face के ऊपर scowl था. Scowl means गुस्सा, angriness. When he was walking, that time on his face scowl on his face and growl in his stomach, and from the stomach the sound was coming. Growl means one kind of sound. Growling karna, this is the sound, and the sound was coming from his stomach. Means he was hungry. Now passing by neighbor's house, when he was walking, then he came near the neighbor's house. एक neighbor के house के पास आता है, and that time he heard something. In that time he heard, वो एक sound सुनता है, he heard a sound, and therefore he became a delighted. He pleased him. Pleased means delight होना. When he came near the neighbor's house, that time he heard something and therefore he delighted. Delighted means pleased. वो बहुत ही खुश हुआ, happy हुआ. Now the neighbor was an old witch. When he came near the neighbor's house, the neighbor was a old witch. Witch means what? Witch means who has a magical power, and they use for bad, for deceive. Which means who has a magical power, magical, जादू टोना बोलते हैं उनको, magical power to deceive. Deceive means किसी को फंसाने के लिए. किसी को फंसाने के लिए, to deceive करने के लिए ये विच अपने मैजिकल पावर का यूज करते हैं। तो द नेबर्स वॉज एन ओल्ड विच, अनांसीज नेबर वॉज ओल्ड विच मीन्स हु हैज अ मैजिकल पावर टू डिसीव, किसी को फंसाने के लिए जो मैजिक करते हैं, दैट आर नोन एज द विच। एंड विच वॉज वेरी एंग्री एंड अनप्लीजेंट, शी वॉज वेरी एंग्री, गुस्सा करने वाली, एंड अनप्लीजेंट मीन्स अनहैप्पी, who became furious whenever anyone said her name. And if anyone person said her name, अगर किसी ने उसके नाम से अगर उसको कॉल किया, that time she became a furious means very angry, furious means very angry means गुस्सा होना। अगर कोई व्यक्ति उसको नेम से अगर बुलाते हैं, when the people called him as with her name, that time she became furious. She hated her name, she hated, वो अपने नेम से वो बहुत ही हेट करती है, गुस्सा करती है। All through her life people had laughed or looked surprised when they heard what her name was. Means in her life, in her whole life, in her complete life, every people had laughed and looked surprised. Means everyone had laughed at the witch and looked surprisingly at the witch when they heard her name. जब उसका नेम हर्ड करते हैं, जब उनको सुनते हैं उसका नेम, that time every people they laughed and looked surprisingly at the witch. Can you guess what her name was? अभी देखो, ये एवरी पीपल, सभी पीपल उसके नेम के ऊपर लाफ करते हैं, उसके ऊपर सरप्राइजली देखते हैं इसके तरफ, तो उसका नेम क्या होगा? व्हाट वाज हर नेम मींस उस हर नेम वाज आल्सो डिफरेंट, सो द मेनी पीपल हैज लाफ्ड एंड लुक सरप्राइज एट हर। तो हर नेम वाज फाइव, हर नेम वाज फाइव वाज नेम, एंड सो द मेनी पीपल laughed and looked surprisingly at the witch, and therefore she hated her name. Her name was five, so she hated her name, इसीलिए उसको गुस्सा आ रहा था कि उसका नेम फाइव था। अनांसी picked through a gap in the witch fence, वो फेंस होता है, फेंस मीन्स एक कंपाउंड होता है, उसके अपने घर के सामने एक कंपाउंड होता है, तो कंपाउंड was there and अनांसी picked through a gap, picked करना मीन्स looked, picked means look, देखना। Look at the picture, there is Anansi looking from the gap. She was stirring her big cooking pot, and which was stirring means hilana, stirring her big cooking pot and muttering and mumbling a spell. Muttering and mumbling means talking करना, जो भी कोई मैजिक करते हैं, that time they pronounce the word with slowly, and it was the muttering and mumbling. Means here the five was means which was muttering and mumbling, and the smoke and spark were blue, and from the pot the smoke means धुआं, and sparks उससे निकलने वाला जो लाइट था, that are the spark were blue and green. The smoke and sparks were blue and green means color blue and green. And Anansi knew she was cooking up, and Anansi was looking at the witch, and Anansi knew that the witch was cooking some big magic. Anansi सोच रही थी, Anansi was thinking witch was cooking a big magic, कुछ तो भी मैजिक पका रही है। Suddenly she snatched up her stuff. यहाँ पे जो स्टफ यूज किया है, STAF स्टफ, तो ये जो स्टफ वर्ड है वो यूज किया है उसके हैंड में। लुक एट द पिक्चर, इन हर हैंड देयर इज अ रॉड, वुडन रॉड, एंड दिस इज द स्टफ, एंड स्नैच्ड मीन्स रिमूव आउटसाइड, बाहर निकालना। शी स्नैच्ड अप हर स्टफ एंड स्टार्टेड टू पाउंड, पाउंड करना मीन्स स्ट्राइक करना, पाउंड मीन्स स्ट्राइक करना, जोर से नीचे पटकना। शी पाउंड द स्टफ, पाउंड इट ऑन द ग्राउंड, उसने वहां से स्टफ निकाल दिया बाहर, आउट द पॉट, एंड शी found it on the ground and started to walk around the pot, and Anna, which was walking around the pot. Anansi listened carefully to what she said. अभी अनांसी वो देख रही थी. अनांसी was looking at her and she was listening. वो जो muttering and mumbling कर रही थी, which कुछ तो वो बोल रही थी, and she was listening. What she was speaking? Look here. यहाँ पे वो क्या बोल रही थी? I curse anyone who says the word 5. She was mumbling. वो मैजिक जब कर रही थी तो she was mumbling. वो बोल रही थी I curse anyone. मैं सभी को कर्स दे दूंगी. कर्स मीन्स शाप देना. I curse anyone who says the word 5. जो भी मुझे 5 वर्ड से बुलाएगा तो I will give a curse. मैं उनको क्या दूंगी? कर्स दूंगी. And it will be disappear forever. और जब मैं कर्स दूंगी तो those person will be disappear forever. वो गायब हो जाएंगे. इस तरह के वो words थे. She was mumbling. Okay. Here is the Anansi and 5's first paragraph. Now remaining part of the story we will see next video. Thank you.